This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the right front wheel. Using a wrench, rotate the drive belt tensioner bolt clockwise to release the tension of the drive belt. Hold the tensioner in this position, then slip the belt off the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the fender well, noting how the belt is routed among the various pulleys to ensure correct installation of the belt. Install the drive belt, loosely routing it over the various pulleys in the correct order, as noted before removal. Rotate the drive belt tensioner and slip the belt onto the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Inspect the belt at each pulley and make sure that the belt is fitted evenly into all of the pulley grooves. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting.